Elden Ring. I don't know. Yes, I do. I was going in here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. That did all the half of my life. How do I use my flasks? I forgot. Pull the lever. I think that guy has good magic resistance, so it's tougher than normal for your magic. Okay. So it just looks like I have to get like extra great. Is there a place where it has just a lot of physical characters where my magic would be like really good against them? No, I don't. I don't have the secret weapon. Is it underground? Yeah. Alright, everybody, this has Ben. He's here to show me the ways.
So the first thing we'll do is we'll get you an accessory that gets you more runes.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go to the runes.
Kalem runes.
And just kind of like avoid all the big woofs.
Yeah.
Here, stop here and look out over the ledge. Here, look forward, across. Do you see that wall? So go ahead and go up to the wall and follow it down. And this is where we'll see if I have you on the right side of the divide or not.
Uh-huh.
I think we're on the wrong side of the divide.
Okay, so go back over there.
Yeah, that spot connects directly to a cave. That cave is what has the golden scarab in it. So there's like a solid landing. Yeah, that solid chunk of land, and then that tree, there it is. You see how it goes straight across, and then there's a cave right there.
My guy does not like to drive straight. What is that?
Probably one of those doggos.
Oh.
Oh no, an Iron Maiden.
Weird. They can't shoot things, can they?
No.
Then I am safe. I'm safe.
Okay. So you're about to like all your runes.
Okay. Oops.
The boss isn't the hardest thing ever, but it's this dungeon. This dungeon is stupid. So the idea is you want to try to get through this as fast as possible. The reason why you want to move fast without dodge rolling is so that you don't get Crimson Poison, or Crimson Rot, I should say. Yeah, the backstep is your best way of trying to get across without getting it at all.
Alright, and oh my gosh! Oh well, now we don't have to worry about trying to save runes.
So, I can meet you in front of that boss if you want me to help you clear it, so you don't have to do this over and over again.
That would be like the most epic thing.
I'll have to do the same path, but I'll come from there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Turn on my camera and be dodging back. Go. Okay, good. That's it. I don't know why I'm whispering. Don't tell anybody.
Because if you talk too loud, it'll undo your progress.
Yeah.
I feel like you've been playing this game long enough. You know.
Oh yeah.
All right.
You have your name with stars.
Oh, for some reason, the word poot, P-O-O-T, is censored. Pootis is like a TF2 joke, so I typed in Pootis, and now half my name is censored.
That's so funny. Oh wow, I like your hammers.
Thank you. And your job is to not die.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, well you just died? Oh.
There you go.
Yay! That was so wonderful. Level up. Looks like a statue. All for the finger.
Okay. Fingers.
Oh my goodness. It's so gross.
Yeah.
Ew. Okay, bye.
Well, talk to him one more time.
Oh.
Talk to him. This is what you did his whole quest line for.
Oh, okay.
You can do more with the quest line, but this is all we really care about right now. Alright, so go into your inventory and use it.
Here we go.
So this pretty much teleports you to a late game area. So just about everything can kill you pretty hard. Alright, so go ahead and go back down.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
And then you're gonna be running for your life.
Okay.
There'll be giant skeletons shooting Kamehameha waves at you and all sorts of stuff. Just
Sounds
get
great.
on torrent and don't look back. Okay. And then
Should I try to get that stuff? Wow.
you can try another time.
Ah! Wow. Okay.
So go straight across. Just keep running to your right,
Right.
right.
There.
Yeah, go up that slope. You sprint. Ignore everything, just sprint.
What?
Yeah, you turn around. You passed it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. You need to touch that and shake all the aggro.
Ah! Touch it.
And then sit down. Alright. You see the bird that's coming back and forth?
Yep.
All you need to be able to hit the bird, get its attention, and it'll try to run at you, and then it'll fall off the cliff. While you're aiming?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I hear it. Okay.
Boop. It
Yeah.
gets mad. It runs at you. Runs off. It dies. Boom. You just got 13,000, and then you sit down.
I
you stand back
respawn
up,
him.
and you can do it again. Yeah.
Oh, it's a beautiful thing.
So welcome to bird farming.